Hello everybody, welcome to Sketchy's Garage. Today we're with Joe and we're fixing to pull the subframe out of our rust rocket. Joe, what do we need to pull the subframe out of this unit?
You need a good strong arm, 15/16 socket, short extension and a long extension because you can't reach front without the long.
How many bolts hold that subframe in?
There's 4 bolts that hold it in and a bunch of cables.
So you want to make sure you unhook all your cables and your brake lines and your fuel lines. We don't really have to worry about that on this one. Something else you want to, don't be tempted to grab your impact and bust them loose, because usually what happens is it just spins the cage nuts and then you kind of open up a can of worms. It almost sounds like the cage nut broke on us anyways. Let's go take a look and see. She spinning the cage nut, or she coming for us? Oh no.
It done twisted, didn't it?
Yeah, done twisted. Okay, let's move to the next one. You want to come in here to this square. Put a little bit of heat.
Right on the tip over. And around the nut with the hair.
Okay, if you look inside there, you'll see it's like a slanted square. I forget the name of them, what they're called. They got a certain name. If you put some heat on it, it helps expand it, and hopefully we'll be able to break it loose.
Catch it on fire.
Thinking I'm just going to cut the heads of the bolts off. Alright guys, when we cut this rear bolt, it's going to release all this and drop down, so you want to make sure you got something to catch it, to at least slow it down.
There we are.
Boom goes the dynamite. We pulled this subframe out because it's got a bunch of stuff welded on it up here, and it's bent up pretty good in a couple places. So we're going to change it out with another one we got off of Craigslist. But before we do that, we're going to roll this out. That could have been really bad.
It could have been, but I'm thank God it didn't hit the tube pipe.
So now we got the subframe out. She doesn't look any better for us, that's for sure. But we're making progress.
So it don't cost nothing to subscribe or view our videos, so check it out sometime.
All right, guys, that's gonna bring a close to today's progress. We'll catch you later.